Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Sony wireless stereo headset WF-XB700. So the WF here stands for wireless freedom and XB stands for extra bass, which means that this is part of Sony's extra bass lineup. So on the box itself, you can see it has 9 plus 9 hours of battery life, which is 9 hours in the earbuds and 9 hours in the carrying case. It comes with IPX4 water resistance and it also has Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's open up this box and see what we have here. So as you can see, we have a little section here that holds all the paperwork. This seems to be an operating instructions guide, while this seems to be a reference guide and it has the warranty information as well. So let's set that aside. In here we have the charging case and the earphones themselves. So let's just take this out and set it aside for a minute. And if we get this out, here you can see we have a tiny USB Type-C cable. It has a Type-A on the other end and it's rather small, and it comes with this little rubber tie that you can keep. And we also have a few extra silicone buds. We have actually 3 extra pairs with 1/4 pair sitting on the earbuds themselves. So let's set this aside. And now let's look at the case and the earphones themselves. So as you can see, the case is a matte black case. It's completely made out of plastic and it is a bit bulky, and it has the Sony logo right on top here. At the back here you can see the USB Type-C port, and that's about it for the outsides. Here you can see a little divot which you can use to open up the case, and when you open it up you see that you have the little indents here to fit the earphones in, and the top case is also a bit translucent, so you'll probably be able to see the lights of the headphones shine through. So there you go, you can see that it snaps quite audibly in a satisfying manner. The build feels pretty solid and robust, although it does feel a bit plasticky. The headphones sit inside very securely, they don't pop out easily. Here we're trying really hard to shake them and pop them out, but they're not doing that. And you can also see the case also has an R and an L indicator telling you which earphone should go where. So that's about it for the case. Let's set that aside and look at the earphones themselves. As you can see, they have a circular or an oval shape at the back, and then they have this rather big protrusion right here which sits in your ear. Sony said that this is a tri-hold structure which will help you get better comfort and secure fit, and it also has the right and left indicators. So overall it does seem a little bit protrusive, seems like it'll come out of your ears quite a bit, but these do seem robust as well. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Sony WF-XB700 true wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.